Welcome to Electronic Cutting with Icing Images. This is part 3 of our Valentine's Day cupcake topper tutorial. Let's put together our toppers. First, we are putting together our fondant bows. For this part, I am using Icing Images paper potion as glue. Use a small brush to dab small amounts of paper potion onto your fondant bow to glue together the ends of your template. Remember to try and be gentle when putting together your bow, as it's very small and more fragile than other pieces that we are working on. There are 2 versions of bows you can create with this template. Here's version number 1. During this process, you can use small tools including brushes to help you glue and place your template in the right places. Now let's create version number 2. Notice that the only thing that changes is the bottom part of the bow. Let's continue by applying the wafer paper details to our cake topper rounds. There's 2 ways to attach the wafer paper. You can either apply the paper potion to the back of the wafer paper, or you can brush the paper potion onto the fondant and then press the wafer paper on. Feel free to be creative with this design. Let's take our pieces of FLEXFROST and apply small amounts of paper potion using a small brush. When you are done with your design, and if you have some overhang, go ahead and cut out the excess with small scissors. Here are a few ideas if you want to add more detail to your bows. Take small pieces of FLEXFROST and attach them to your fondant bows. Now let's add our bows to our cake toppers. Remember that placement is up to you, and remember to be creative and add more or less as you like. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more of these tutorials.